everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got this look. Hella easy, super fun. I cannot wait for you guys to see this video. So if you would like to see, please do continue watching.
I'm just going to start out with my L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. This is in the shade 210 Classic Tan.
So I'm going to go ahead and try this Smashbox concealer. I recently got this. It's in medium warm golden. Influencer sent me this, so I'm excited to try it out for the first time right now. I don't know if this color is good for me, but we will see how it goes. Seems about right. It's all in the blending out process. I love the applicator. It's so like flexible. I like that. I'm gonna set that with the DERMABLEND Pro Powder. I like this concealer so far, like my very first impression.
So right now I'm gonna go into the Clinique Brow Powder Palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in these sparse areas, and then follow up with some concealer just to carve out the brow. You can do this with any brown shadow.
I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so freaking glittery and pretty. I love it. And I'm gonna go into its Designer, which is just like a nice creamy color right here. So I'm gonna grab that. And I'm just going to press this all over my lid. So now I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's called It's Cashmere, which is a nice like nude color. This is gonna look so pretty right in the crease. Yes. Just trying to get you guys in a little closer so you could see properly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep building this up. And when I'm blending, I'm just kind of like pulling it outwards, like this. You guys can see, like that. And just putting it all in that general area. I find that when you're blending out and you're doing this, it gives you a really nice smooth transition. And then afterwards, after you're done, you use some concealer and just go from the end of your eye up towards the end of the brow, like going out right here in that point. And you get a really nice line up if you're gonna do liner or, you know, whatever like that. So I'm planning on doing liner, so I think this is a really great way to just kind of ease into that. And it gives you like a foolproof, easy line. I'm gonna go into Oh That's Rich first, just to kind of build up the color, and then I'm gonna tap into that because I want a really nice like silver but then like black smoky eye at the same time. So I'm just gonna lightly tap into this and see what we can create from here. So when you're doing like eyes like this, you really want to go in easy. Like, don't go in hard, don't go in with a lot of color. It's so much easier to build up color than to put a lot and then have to take it off. I know you guys hear that all the time, but it's legitimately true. I'll focus a color right in here, and then with a clean blending brush, you go in and then you just blend. Like you blend, go in back and forth with a clean brush and the brush with your color. Just blend lightly. So you blended that out, you go ahead back in with the same color. You put a little bit more right in the areas that you want it. You can just kind of tap it. And then again, you just go in with your big brush and you blend. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a little bit of concealer. Do a little cutting action right in the beginning part of my eye, like the first half of my eye. Guys, so I apologize, my camera was like spazzing out in my Canon, so I'm just filming on my vlogging camera. But I was just cutting my crease. That's where I left off at. So after I put down the concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with this powder. And that's just gonna set the concealer in place. And I'm gonna go into this color called Clutch Your Pearls. It's a really nice white color. I'm going to place that right in that area that we cut out. Oh, that's pretty. It's like pulling a little bit pink. So I'm just going to get this all over that area. Color right here. And I'm just gonna kind of blend the two colors together so it's not like this dark color. I'm gonna go into Diamonds for Breakfast. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like a super glittery color, so I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna go in with the NYX glitter glue right in the inner corner and like this whole half area. This I heard was best used with your finger, so I'm just gonna grab my ring finger a little bit like so, and then just tap that right on top of my lids. Oh, it's so pretty. So now I'm gonna go into Oh That's Rich, and I'm gonna get that all along the bottom. Black. And then, okay, when you're doing a smoky eye and you're wearing lashes, please remember to tightline. It's such a pet peeve of mine when I see somebody with like really pretty eyes, but then I could see their tight line underneath. And the bronzer that I'm going to use is this BUXOM bronzer. This one is called Maldives, which is so pretty. I love it. So we're going to go ahead and get this on. So nice. It's very subtle, but it's so nice. For blush, I'm gonna go into Oasis from NARS, which just looks like this. A nice cool pinky blush. So now I'm going to use a little bit of highlight, and the highlight that I'm going to use is from Artist Couture. This one is in Glow Money, which is so pretty. It's a nice golden highlight. I'm just gonna, bless my face with this. So pretty. Right up here on my cheekbones and blend it a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips right now with one of the colors from this set. This is the Smashbox Holidays Always On lip set. I love these liquid lipsticks. I especially love Stepping Out. It's one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into this KIKO Milano Precision Lip Pencil in 301. And I'm just gonna get that right on my lips. And right around it. I like to underline because my lips are super small, so I like to make them look bigger. So I go above my Cupid's bow right up here. Like I'll go here and then I'll come down into my own lip line. That way I have a really pretty pouty look. Now let's get into the Stepping Out. So pretty. I love this one. This is literally the prettiest lip color. It works so well on every skin tone. Simple. I I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you don't miss any uploads from me, and follow me on my Instagram page at Reesiibabe and at ReesiMUA, and I will talk to you guys in another one. Happy holidays!